All right, let's get back over for the check on first order weather with Tracy. We made it to the weekend. A little chilly, but pretty nice.
Pretty nice, right? And as we move into Sunday and Monday, we got a minor weather system coming in that could be bringing us a little more snowfall. But the operative word there is little, not a major storm. If you're headed to the Bay Area, take a look at this. This is from San Francisco, Transamerica building there. They got clouds in tow for the Bay Area, but you can also see the sunshine there trying to break through. So a mix of sun and clouds expected for the Bay, and similar conditions will be for the Delta all the way through the valley today and even into parts of the hills. So overall, what's ahead? Well, the cooler temperatures are sticking around. Normal daytime high 70. No 70s in the 7-day forecast. A sunny into the week, comparatively speaking. A few light weekend showers, very light, just a stray shower here or there. And then as we move into Sunday and Monday, low snow coming in early next week. Looks like early Monday morning, we could see snow levels around 1,500 to 2,500 feet in elevation. We'll take a look at some preliminary storm totals, or I should say, snow totals coming up, not a storm. Here you go, slice of California for today. 56 for the Bay, 59 for the Delta. A mix of sun and clouds for the valley, 60 degrees, which is exactly what we had yesterday. 54 for the foothills and 40 degrees coming in for the Sierra. So cool temperatures. Sacramento usually hits 80 degrees by now. Average first 80-degree day is March 27th. The earliest was February 18 back in 1899. The latest date, March 24th in 1897. Wow, long time ago, right? Okay, so as we move into the weekend, our weather does continue to be a little cooler than average. For the weekend, over the course of the weekend, not so bad. Mix of sun and clouds, afternoon highs in the lower 60s. For the foothills, you'll be a little cooler, 55 coming in for Saturday with a few minor showers in the forecast early Sunday. And then we get to the Sierra with a few minor snow showers Saturday. Temperatures coming in around 42. Sunday is when we're watching a system coming in, so light snow expected between 3,500, 5,500 feet in elevation. Temperatures more so like 39 degrees for an afternoon high. Now let's time it out. Here's your futurecast. It's a cold front. This is around midday on Saturday. Could spark just a few minor showers coming in for the northern end of the valley floor, for the northern Sierra, and that's pretty much it. And that's what I mean when I say a stray shower. Then we get to Sunday, 6 o'clock in the evening, and this is where we could be looking at some light snow showers that could be happening over a period of hours. Not expecting a whole lot of accumulation, but this is where colder air will come in, and we'll see some foothill locations looking at a light dusting possible late Sunday night into early Monday when the coldest air comes in. So how much could we pick up? That's going to be all the way to Monday night. About 6 inches in Blue Canyon, about 9 inches coming in. That's for Kybers, about 7 inches in Kirkwood. We see about 2 inches in Forest Hill. And when I say a dusting, I mean a dusting, about a half of an inch coming in for Grass Valley, maybe a 1/10 coming in for Auburn, and a 1/10 of an inch coming in for Jackson, and about 2/10 of an inch coming in for Sonora. So just wanted to give you a heads up just in case you're outside and you're like, oh, Mom, there are flurries. Yeah, there'll just be a few flurries. And as far as rainfall, not a heavy hitter, right? A few hundredths of an inch coming in for the valley floor and a few 1/10 of an inch coming in when you get to the hills. So not a major player, but just enough to kind of keep things unsettled. Monday, I did add in a chance for a rogue thunderstorm as well, with some low snow again at possible early Monday. After that, we are still slightly cooler than average. That is a look at your weather on a Friday. Stick around. We'll be right back.